Today I'm introducing my fifth book, an anthology of nature poems. It's titled Stone Rivers. Stone Rivers. We have 30 plus beautiful nature poems in this collection, and I am reciting the poem in this moonlight today. It is about the beauty of the moonlight on one side, and also it's about the kind of anguish and melancholy in the mind of the poet as well as in the hearts of the people of the modern world. In this moonlight is your complaints and sighs. In this moonlight is your sorrow and tears. In this moonlight is your breath and music. In this moonlight is your warmth and fragrance. In this moonlight is your shadow and presence. In this moonlight is your hair and nail. When this moonlight is your arms around me, all my sleep is a smile and a song. The moon gently dances upon the tranquil ripples of the lake in the valley. In this moonlight, I'll remain awake, not let you sleep. There is a storm in the breath. Thank you.